If you guys want to know where to watch anime for free in 2026, I'll show you guys the best websites to do so right now. First, I want to say the options have been getting less and less. All the websites are taking away their ad-free options, etc, etc. But here's a couple that are still working. So first is Tubi TV, tubitv.com. It's not bad. It doesn't have many though. Depends on where you live as well. So go ahead and check this, see if there's any anime you want to watch there. Next we have Retro Crush. So here's, well, this is only old anime. You won't find any new anime on here, but they got a pretty good selection. But a good amount of it also is subscription based. We got Muse Asia on YouTube. They have a bunch of animes that they upload on here, so you can go and check it out and see if they have any that you want. But overall, the options have been getting fewer and fewer. Crunchyroll doesn't allow the ad-based viewing or anything like that, so the best thing you could do is just pay for a subscription. One thing you never want to do is go on a pirating website, because that is not allowed in any way, shape, or form. So don't ever do that, because then you would be able to watch 4K anime as soon as it's uploaded for free. So don't do that. Only watch it on these websites that say you can legally watch it. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any suggestions for where people might be able to watch anime for free legally, then leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next time.